Alright, you guys. Anyways, hello. I have to clean my room. And by my room I mean like my makeup station. It is so awful up there. I finally got all of my organizers from Amazon here, so I'm gonna, I'm gonna sort through old makeup, clean my brushes, organize my makeup, all of that jazz, because we are in quarantine and there is nothing else to do. Like, this is where I do my makeup and I kind of just throw everything around. I am very messy as you can see. Right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the makeup on the floor in kind of different piles. You know, I have a lot. And I have this other drawer. This is more like palettes and lashes and powder. Oh, and I almost didn't show you guys. This is what I bought to put in my drawers. I think 4 short ones. So they look like this. These are the long ones. I came with one like fat one, I guess. And then I bought, I think 4 or 5 of these big ones. I also bought one of these. So it's just the one with 4 big ones and then 2 small ones at the top. And then I bought 2 of these. I just bought these for my makeup brushes because I use like this like tub thingy and it's not cute. It's kind of ugly. So I just bought 2 of these. Okay, so I finally finished organizing everything into its category. So we have foundations, concealers, we have highlighters, eyeliners, setting sprays, blush, lip pencils, eyebrows, powder, liquid lipsticks, regular lipsticks. We have my eyelash glue, lash curlers, mascara, all of my lashes, miscellaneous eye things and random stuff, and then my palettes. Yeah, that took a long time. Oh, and my primers. That took a long time, and now I'm gonna go through and clean everything and see what I'm gonna keep, because I clearly do not need about 50 foundations, so yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
It's actually the second day and we're gonna start organizing.
Yeah. Yeah.
I finally finished organizing this. And here I'm gonna put like my sponges after I clean them. And here I just put like lip stuff. So I have the Laneige lip mask, lip oil, lip oil. On top here I just put all of my like sprays. And I have this Laura Geller body mist, so I just have that. Here I have all my liquid lipsticks. I actually don't have a lot of liquid lipsticks, which is kind of a shocker. Here are all my glosses and lipsticks in the corner. And then these two are just empty. And then in here I just have this like unicorn mug. It was so cute. I don't know. I wanted to keep it. And here I have all of my lip liners. Here is my first drawer. Everything is so organized and neat. It looks so nice. So we'll start on this side. Here I have all of my foundations. I only kept this many because it's really the only ones I use. And here I have my concealers, my cream products, brow stuff. Here's all of my powders. So we have some loose powders, pressed powders. These are the bronzers, blush, all the highlights, and then some more blush and a powder. These like loose eyeshadows, glitter. And here are all of my liners. I have gel liners, liquid liners. Here is like my tools drawer. So I just have mascara, eyelash curler, eyelash glue. And then here I have my primers slash moisturizers. So I have just my primers, my one moisturizer. And then this drawer is where all of my palettes live. So I had to put these like 4 in here, and I have like my contour kits down there. And then I have the banana one, the regular one. And this is where all of my lashes are. And here I have my palettes. So here are like my basic eyeshadow palettes that look like this. I only have 4. So I have Too Faced, those colors. And then these are the Anastasia ones. Here I have this huge, the Jeffree Star palette. And I didn't really know how to store this since it's really bulky, but I do love the packaging, so I just kept it underneath with my James Charles and Jaclyn Hill palette. And then here I have a random ColourPop palette with singles, the Nicole Guerrero highlighting kit, and then the NYX palette, and just a random little elf palette. So I currently have my brushes in this like tub sort of thing. So this is where I keep my face brushes and then my eye brushes. And I don't really like how this looks because my brushes don't really fit. So basically I got 2 of these acrylic brush holders, and everything I got was from Amazon. So this is from Amazon. The brush holders, all of these containers are from there. And I bought 2 just because I have a lot of brushes. Now we're gonna go clean all of these. It's gonna be a long time. So here are my brushes, and I'm gonna clean them, obviously. And I just use like a bar of soap. I also use this like matte thing that has like different textures for the brushes. So I just stick this right here, like that. So all my brushes are clean. So now I'm just gonna put them in these dividers, and yeah. So I did my face brushes, and I'm just gonna leave that right here. And then this one will be my eye brushes. Maybe even like this. Alright, and then in here I'm gonna put all of my sponges. So they're clean, so I'm just gonna put them in there. This is the final view of everything. You can see everything is organized. My brushes are all clean. So like this is what my desk area looks like. And then my computer, my mirror, and then my drawers. I think I did a pretty good job of organizing everything. And then my palette drawer. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this whole video. I look really bogus.